Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, the Swati's Odyssey, and today I am here with a new video on Chitrakoot and Tirathgarh Waterfalls. So guys, I was very excited for this video because I loved these places and I wanted to share a vlog with you so that you guys can also visit this place and explore the beauty of these places. So the first thing I'm going to talk about here, guys, is that you can actually cover both of these places on the same day. Just follow these simple steps here. So the first thing which you need to remember is you need to reach one of these places by 9 a.m. or 9:30 a.m. in the morning. So how can you do that? Like if you are staying in a place which is nearby Chattisgarh, like me, I actually stay in south of Odisha, Sunabara, and it is nearly 168 kilometers from Chitrakoot and 158 kilometers from Tirathgarh Waterfall. So what we did here is we planned for a road trip. So we started our trip at 5:30 a.m. in the morning. If you're not staying nearby these places, don't have to worry. You can actually book a train which is till Jabdalpur. So Jabdalpur is the nearest railway station to these two places, and reach Jabdalpur as early as 7 a.m. in the morning. So it is 38 kilometers from Tirathgarh and 42 kilometers from Chitrakoot. So you can easily reach there in 1.5 hours. I would suggest you to go for Tirathgarh Waterfall first, because what will happen is we don't have to stay in Tirathgarh for a long time. It is just the waterfall that you need to explore. There is of course a place for taking bath, taking a swim, that all you can do, but I think that will also not take a lot of time. So yeah, so if you want to cover both of these places, then try to visit Tirathgarh first, so that after lunch you have ample amount of time which you can spend in Chitrakoot waterfalls. So Tirathgarh waterfall is situated in river Munga Bahar and is 300 feet below the hillside. So this is an amazing waterfall, I would say, and you can hear the sound of this waterfall from quite a distance. So once you reach there, you can click pictures and you can go and take bath in this waterfall and just explore the beauty of this waterfall.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네, 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서
So few things which I would like to say you guys about this place is the first thing is there is a lot of monkeys in Tirathgarh Waterfall. So when you are visiting this place, don't carry any eatable because they are going to jump on you and take all of them. So just be a little careful. Apart from that, I would say please have your breakfast on the way, not in Tirathgarh, because I think you will find better places elsewhere. But I would say there is beautiful handcrafted things that is available when you are visiting this place. So there are many shops like this outside which is near the parking space, so you can definitely explore them and you can grab some snack if you are hungry from here. There are small shops available. So one more thing that you can do in Tirathgarh is if you have time and if you do not want to complete the Chitrakoot trip on the same day, then you can go for the safari ride which they provide in Tirathgarh. I think it is a wildlife sanctuary, the wildlife reserve they have there. So you can have a jeep safari there. We did not go there because we wanted to cover Chitrakoot on the same day. So what we did is from Tirathgarh, while coming to Chitrakoot on the way on the bypass road of Jabdalpur, we had our lunch and nearly by 2:30 p.m. we reached Chitrakoot. So just when you enter this place, you will find a Shiv temple there. So Chitrakoot waterfall is actually situated in the river Indravati and it is 90 feet tall.
sound really fine 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐 sound really fine 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어.
So I must tell you guys, like when I saw this waterfall, the Chitrakoot waterfall, the one thing which came instantly to my mind was Niagara waterfalls. It was so magnificent, so gigantic and so beautiful. I cannot express in words. So the strange thing is when I came back home and when I googled it, it is actually called the Niagara waterfall in India. If you visit this place, my recommendation would be please go for a boat ride there. So once you reach this place, actually you need to take downstairs and from there you will have this boat ride and it is as cheap as 50 rupees per person. do take a boat ride if you visit this place.
You can see a beautiful rainbow in this waterfall throughout the year, which is breathtaking.
So there is two things that you need to keep in mind when you're visiting Chitrakoot waterfalls. The first thing is it is a tourist destination and you can find heavy crowd in this place. So please avoid going on weekends to this place if you do not like crowd. Second thing is try and avoid going in rainy season to Chitrakoot waterfall. It is said that the density of water actually increases during the rainy season, and apart from that they do not allow the boat ride during this rainy season. So if you want to experience the boat ride, then I would suggest not to go on rainy season.
Within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in all this endless space.
So these were the two things that I wanted to tell you, and yeah, we stayed in Chitrakoot waterfall till the evening, I think nearly till 5 p.m. I'm surely going to revisit Chitrakoot waterfall for sure, and I would highly recommend every one of you watching this video to please visit these places. It is going to be a very memorable experience, and if you are staying nearby, go on a road trip, because yeah, that is also going to be an amazing experience. A recommendation for people who are going from Koraput or nearby Koraput: please have your dinner in Alishan Hotel in Koraput. I recently discovered this place just on this trip, and I surely recommend this. So that's all from my end, you guys. I hope this video would help you to plan a trip to these wonderful places and you experience the beauty of these as I did. And guys, if you have any questions on this video, please write down on the comment section below so that I can answer them all. And guys who belong to Chhattisgarh, please recommend some good places in Jagdalpur or nearby so that people can go and explore them. Thank you so much for watching this video. The name of the person I'm going to shout out today is Elena Mahanta. So congrats, Elena. And guys, if you also want me to shout out your name on my next video, or you simply like the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that small bell button so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So stay tuned guys for my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.